This employment law video is on tackling employees pulling sickies. Clearing things up. If an absent employee doesn't phone in sick until about 11 AM, it's going to cause problems for the team in picking up the slack and managing additional responsibilities. It's important for an employer to have a sickness absence policy which is regularly communicated to staff. Employees are usually required to telephone their manager as early as possible on the day of absence and notify them of the nature of the illness, the likely length of absence, and any work that needs urgent attention. For absences up to 7 days, employees may need to complete self-certification forms. For longer absences, employees may need to obtain a statement from their doctor. Social media activity. Sometimes it's worth checking the absent employee's social media pages to check whether they are really ill. Supposing an employee puts a call into their manager stating that they have a serious stomach infection, and later in the day they check into a restaurant on Facebook. The employer could argue that they feigned their illness. Disciplinary action. If an employee is dishonest about not being able to work, this could amount to gross misconduct. In certain cases, it may entitle the employer to dismiss the employee. The employer would need first to carry out a thorough investigation, and if there is a case to answer, invite the employee to a disciplinary hearing. If the employee is subsequently dismissed, the employee should have a right of appeal. For more information on disciplinary action, see my website. Second jobs. Doing a second job on sick leave could be considered gross misconduct. It would probably be more serious if the other job was being done at the same time as the employee should have been in the office. But even if they were working their second job out of hours, the fact that they are working in this job may indicate to the employer that the illness was not genuine. That's my video on tackling employees pulling sickies. The usual caveat is that this video is for guidance only and should not be relied upon for specific advice. For more information, do visit my website, and if you're interested in receiving notifications on other employment law videos, do subscribe to my channel.